Isn't that sweet? You get to meet Sammie. Hi, Sammie. Sammie, this is Maddie. Maddie, what do you think? You want to go see the birdie? Hi, Sammie. Come on. Do you want to come see? Come see the bird. The bird's whistling at you. Aww. Isn't that cute? Either that or she's lulling you into a false sense of security. She likes you. Yeah. Hi, Sam. No, I don't think she wants to learn how to bark. It's okay. Sammie's doing okay. Pretty Sammie. Hi, Sammie. Hi, Sammie. Good girl. Oh, look. She wants you to pat her. Not bark. This is your first bird close-up. There. Good girl. Oh, she's gonna give you kisses. Kisses, kisses. Sam? Maybe you can do, you want to do Star Wars? Oh, stay tuned for Sammie. Sammie does a great way of talking. Good girl. Not you. Zip it. Bye-bye, Sam.